Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to download Steam on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Steam, search for Steam on your browser, and then tap enter. Steam Steam is the world's largest digital gaming platform developed by Valve Corporation. It allows users to buy, download, and play games while offering social features, cloud saves, and automatic updates. Let me explain to you what are the key features of Steam. So before explaining it, I will show you how to install it. Tap onto this Steam option, the first option, and here you can see the green icon at the top right corner. Here just tap onto this install Steam. Now then here you can see this option install Steams in the blue text. Tap onto it and it will take you to, it will download the Steam. Then you just have to search for the file where it is downloaded. It will ask for your permission. Tap onto yes and then tap onto next, and then choose your preferred language. I will choose English, so that's it. Now choose your profile place where you want to keep your files, and then tap on to install, and it will start installing your Steam account. That's it. So the key features of Steam are its game library. It can access thousands of games from AAA titles to indie games. Steam sells huge discounts during seasonal sales like summer sale and winter sales. Community and mods forums, reviews, and Steam workshop for modding. It also has Steam Cloud and remote play. You can sync game saves and play on different devices. It is a must-have for PC gamers. Do you use Steam or are you thinking of getting into it? So let me know in the comment section. Now you have to sign in with your account name. Enter your account name and password, and then tap on to sign in. Also, you can use the Steam mobile app to sign in via QR code. Just scan the QR code with your phone. You can choose this create a free account if you don't have any Steam account. Now you have to enter your email address. So tap onto this that you are at least 13 years of age or older to use this app. So after inputting your email address, tap onto continue, and it is verifying your email address. You have to go to your Gmail, and here you can see this notification Steam, and tap on to verify my email address. So that's it, your email is now verified. Now you have to choose your Steam account name. And then you have to choose a password for your Steam account. So just enter your password. It's telling me to include lowercase and uppercase letters. Okay. So now you have to tap on to done. It's telling me to enter an account name that is at least 3 characters long and use only A to Z. Okay. Now tap on to done. Now my Steam account is created successfully, so that's it. Now you can play games on your Steam. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.